The resistance band donkey kick is a banded exercise that targets the muscles in the glutes and hamstrings. To make the donkey kick easier, you can use only body weight, or make it more challenging, you can add more resistance with the dumbbell. To get started, while seated, place a hip circle resistance band or loop band above your knees. Get into a tabletop position, ensuring your wrists are directly under your shoulders and your knees are under your hips. Shift one side of the band to place it under the knee of the planted, non-working leg. Inhale and engage your core muscles to maintain stability and keep your back straight and avoid overarching. Exhale as you lift one knee off the ground, keeping it bent at a 90-degree angle with your foot flexed. Extend your bent leg back and up, with the bottom of your foot pointing towards the ceiling. At the top of the movement, hold for a brief moment to squeeze your glute to maximize muscle activation. In a controlled manner, lower your bent leg back to the starting position without letting your knee touch the ground. Repeat all the reps on one leg, then shift the band to the other knee and repeat with the other leg. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.